Good morning, students. Welcome in today's class. Previously, we went through that although Dr. Harriet had given his advice in prevention for Tricky to Mrs. Pumphrey, yet somehow she could not do the same. Why? As her gardener was facing lumbago. That's why Tricky couldn't be exercised. Well, now let's continue. First para of page second. Here it is given according to writer. I tried to sound savior. Now I really mean this. Means with a concentration, he tried to understand what Mrs. Pumphrey was telling about his dog's diet related things or about the pretense what she was making. Whether writer had no interest. Why? Because she somehow, only somehow, she could fail as he has given the guideline to obey. That's why. Here it is given, I tried to sound savior. Now I really mean this. Now the doctor, Harriet, he has understood what she want to express about him. Okay, so let's move for next line. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. Student, before moving for next line, we have to understand here, you have to find out the word meaning of savior. What is savior? By the way, if it is asked in the exam, then I'm trying here to underline that. Yes, now you can concentrate at the word. I tried to sound savior. What is meaning for that? Savior means causing somebody to suffer. Or another word meaning be upset. Another word also you can write have difficulties. Okay. Now let's move for next line. Already I have repeated. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. Now he is giving the ultimatum. To whom? To Mrs. Pumphrey. He is giving the warning. The doctor is warning her that if you don't care of Tricky properly, then may be some harm for him. So you must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. Now he is giving somehow as an ultimatum that you should make yourself strict as a strict caretaker. You have to follow this step as I am saying you and keep him on a very strict diet as I had told you. You for the lady. Now student, next line. Mrs. Pumphrey wrung her hands. What is wrung? First form is ring. W-R-I-N-G. Here it is given past form. Okay. Mrs. Pumphrey wrung her hands. You should note down the meaning of wrung because in section A, mostly in exam, antonyms are asked. So in reference for the rehearsal, for the practice, I am trying here to give you the words. Okay, meaning of rung is to press. Another word is squeeze. Something as you need to squeeze the lemon in the same way, to press the lemon to get the citric acid in the same way, in same sense rung is used here. Whether we can say wave also. When your planning is missed, then what you do, you rub your hands. So in sense it is rung here. Mrs. Pumphrey wrung her hands. Oh, I will. Mr. Harriet. Why she wrung her hands? Because she could not do same as it was guided by the doctor. That's why here it is given wrung her hands. Now he is making him sure that, oh, I will, Mr. Harriet. You know, student, for first person pronoun, shall must be used because here action verb is stressed. Forcibly she is saying, she is making sure to him. That's why with I will is used here. So she is making sure him that, oh, I will, Mr. Harriet, means I will follow your advice as you will tell. Now she is serious. I am sure you are right. But it is so difficult, so very difficult. Why she is saying so difficult? In reality, that activity was not difficult. Difficulty was there that she loved too much to the tricky. So she doesn't like to give such a diet as a punishment for him. She won't wear that. That's why she is saying here it is difficult, so very difficult. After saying this, she set off. Student, what is set off here? Departure. To depart. Okay, departure you can note down. She set off. Okay, I hope you have noted that. What is set off here? Set off is a phrasal verb. In our previous class also I have told you phrasal verb. Okay, means departure. Okay, I would like to underline that so that another student also can do easily. Here, set off. You can see here set off. I'm trying. Okay, somehow it is underlined, you can see in the reddish area. So let's move. She set off, head down along the road as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. Okay, she departed from there, head down. Why? Her head was down. Why? Because somehow she was hopeless, discouraged, due to worry, due to the observation and advice, the condition related to condition of the tricky. That's why somehow she is discouraged. That's why here it is given she set off, head down. In practical life, when you miss anything, then you get hopeless. In the same way, here it is given she set off, head down along the road as if determined to put the new regime. Sorry, we should say regime, proper pronunciation. As if determined to put new regime into practice immediately. Okay, determine. What is determined here? I would like to underline that so that you can concentrate it properly. Just a minute. Here determined is given, determined, regime, and immediately. Okay, I try to line them, whether immediately is overlined so you can understand. Okay, so determine, determination, one good word meaning will be set on. Another synonym will be pose, pose, pose. Okay, I would like to write here pose. This is the synonym of determination or determine. Okay, so you can see the words determine, regime. What is regime here? You should note down the word regime. The word meaning of regime will be system of government, like a system of government. Okay, and next word which is underlined here, immediately. That is common word in daily life you are using nowadays. That means immediately means, that is very easy, at once. Okay, I hope that you are noting down what I am teaching you here. Okay, so let's move. Once I would like to repeat the line. She set off head down along the road as if determined to put the new regime, means new guideline, what was advised by the Dr. Harriet, she will follow. She had made sure. Now she is sure that she will follow what is guided by the doctor related to his doggy, sorry, her doggy Tricky. And she is making sure in his mind that practice immediately, as if she will practice at once, means as soon as it is possible she will start to practice that what doctor had given guideline for the Tricky, related to diet, related to exercise, extra things. Now student, second para. I watched their progress with growing concern. Okay, concern. I'm trying to underline that here. Growing concern, it is given. Yes. Note down the meaning of concern here. What is concern? To affect or involve somebody. To affect or involve somebody. Okay, I'm trying to write here. Yes, involve. Okay, I hope that you have noted involve. So let's move for next. Here it is given, I watched their progress with growing concern. Their progress. Why there is used here? Means it is about Tricky and it's about his owner lady also. That's why there. I watched their progress with growing concern. Means my involvement in that case, that was concentrated. I concentrated more and more. The doctor is thinking. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. A word has come here, tottering. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm trying to underline that. Here you can see tottering. Word is given here, tottering. And next word you have to underline, you have to note down, that is tweed. What is tweed here? First of all, you have to note down of tottering, to stand or move unsteadily. To stand or move unsteadily. Unsteadily. I tried to write here. As you can think that I'm writing here on screen, that's why somehow maybe handwriting something may be problematic, but you should try to understand. Okay, unsteadily. I hope that you have noted down. And next word which has come, tweed. Tweed means thick woolen cloths with a rough surface used for making cloths. Means the surface of the coat was not smooth. Okay, so let's try to the line. Okay, Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. Tottering means Tricky, he could not move properly, he could not walk properly. Okay, in the steady mood, he could not run, he could not play, he could not move. Okay, along in his little tweed coat, what coat he had wore to save himself from the severe cold, its surface was not smooth. Okay, somehow it was rough. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats. Once I have to repeat the line. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats. You know, whole is common word, you all know, but note down the synonym because that is useful. Maybe in exam that may be asked. Whole, entire, ENTIRE, entire. Whole wardrobe, you have to underline wardrobe. Not underline, sorry, you have to note down. Here it is given. I am trying to underline that. Yes, whole wardrobe. Whole means complete, entire, and wardrobe means, note it down, a cupboard in which you can hang your clothes. Okay, a cupboard in which you can hang your clothes. That is wardrobe. Means the wardrobe, whole wardrobe was fulfilled with the clothes related to Tricky. And what type of clothes were there? In next line it is given. Pay attention here. For the next line, here it is given. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats. these coats for the cold weather and a raincoat for the wet days, as you guys use raincoat during rainy season and coat or suits or woolen cloths during severe cold. In the same way, all these clothes were available in the wardrobe and it was full. And that was only of tricky. So let's move for next line. He struggled on, drooping in his harness. He struggled on. What is synonym of struggle? You know, that is very easy, but I have to give you some synonyms so that you can note it down. Okay, struggle, drooping, harness. Okay, we have, somehow I am trying to adjust that. Here it is given harness. Okay, I am trying here, harness. Yes, drooping, and another word is struggle. Okay, for struggle you have to note down what will be the synonym. Fight, grapple, Graple, grapple. Okay, scuffle, SCUFFLE, scuffle also. And for drooping you have to write hang, dangle, DANGLE, dangle. And bend, 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 bend. I am telling the synonym of drooping. Okay, and harness means equipment. Tack, TACK, tack. Yoke, YOKE, yoke. Or trapping also, TRAPING, trapping. I hope that you have noted. Okay, so let's move for the line. Here it is given, he struggled on drooping in his harness. Why drooping? It is given here, drooping. Somehow his motion of walking was in bending position due to overhealth, due to laziness, due to sickness. He is not active, he is feeling inactiveness. That's why here it is given drooping. He struggled on drooping in his harness. Harness, that tapping which was on his neck, mostly we use for the dogs. So with that equipment he was in drooping mode. He was moving slowly in his laziness. This observation is explained by the writer Dr. Harriet. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. Here it is given that I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard Mrs. Pumphrey. Means the dog, according to writer, he is thinking that the dog must be caretaken properly by Mrs. Pumphrey and started to get or to follow the advice what was guided by the writer. Okay, that's why it is given. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. Means if situation is same, if Pumphrey is not following my guideline, then it won't be far long. That day will come when Tricky may be seriously ill. Okay, and it may be possible in future sooner. Mrs. Pumphrey will inform, will call, will remember him for cure or for treatment for the Tricky. This is observation of the writer Dr. Harriet. Now, student, let's move for next para. Here, you can see the expected call came within a few days. Okay, here I am trying. Yes, the expected call came within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. What doctor has guessed already about the health of Tricky's over health, the expectation is going on true. Now, Mrs. Pumphrey, she is distraught. Student, you have to note down the meaning of distraught and that word also expected. I know that you are knowing the meaning of expected. You are thinking that sir is telling me easy word meaning, but when synonym will be asked in exam, then what will you do? Synonym must be known. That's why I am telling you whether the word is easier. Yet I am telling you the synonym of those words. Expected. Okay, I am trying to underline that. Expected and distraught. Okay, note down for that. For expected, anticipate, await, await. You can write or anticipate. Both the synonyms. Both are the synonym of expected. Another word is distraught. Note down the meaning. Agitated, agitated. And next word meaning may be agitated with doubt, and another word meaning may be mental conflict or pain. Mental conflict or pain. I am telling you the synonym of distraught. Okay, so let's move further. Here it is given Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. Somehow she was feeling so unhappiness. She was sorry. Why? Because as doctor has expected already, in same it was going with Tricky. Tricky would eat nothing, refused even his favorite dishes, and besides he had bouts of vomiting. Means now he is seriously ill. Tricky, he was not liking to have anything which was his even interesting thing. He was denying to have anything. Okay, that's why here given favorite dishes. As you guys, when you get ill, then you don't like to have bread or to have biscuit, to have even candies also. Don't you like to have any fruit? Why? Due to illness. In the same way, Tricky is also suffering of some health related problem. That's why he is not trying to have anything which was offered by Mrs. Pomfrey. Okay, and that was already guessed by the Dr. Harriet. And one word has come here, besides. What is besides? He had bouts of vomiting. What is beside? Except. Synonym will be except. Synonym will be except. I'm trying to underline that. Besides bouts, vomiting. Oh, sorry. Yes, vomiting, bouts. So for beside, you have to note down except. 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 Yes, I'm trying to write EXCEPT. Except. And for another word, what is that? Just after except, here that will be bouts. Word meaning or synonym of bouts. Note down. A period of illness, a short period of great activity. Both the meanings are given, but according in the reference of our chapter will be a period of illness. And vomiting, synonym you can write spew. SPEW, spew. Or ETCH, retch, another word. Okay, I am writing here spew. Another word may be retch. Okay, spew and retch. Another word also, if you want to write, you can write fetch up. I am telling the synonym of vomiting. Okay, I hope that you have noted. Now let's move for next. As already I have told you, he felt easy. He was lie down only. He was not having anything. He had bouts of vomiting only. Only he was following the vomiting cause of some physical problem. Except vomiting, except laziness, he was nothing having. In next line, he spent all his time lying on a rug. Rug means a carpet. Okay, a rug means a carpet or mat. Here I'm trying to underline that rug. That means mat or carpet. Okay, he was only lying down on the carpet. Okay, let's move. Carpet painting only he was lying down. Once I'm repeating, he spent all his time lying on a rug painting, did not want to go for walks, did not want to do anything. Okay, why he did not want to walk, why he did not want to have anything? Because he was unhealthy right now. So writer is saying, I had made my plans in advance. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight. What is fortnight? A period of 7 days. Oh, sorry, a period of 2 weeks or 15 days, you can say, to be kept under observation. Observation means inspection. Observation means inspection. In proper caretaking. The writer has planned that. What he has planned? He has planned that Tricky must be hospitalized. Already he has planned that when he is not walking, he is not having anything, so lying down on the rug or lying in the room only, that will be harmful for him. So that's why he planned to set him in the hospital to take care of. Okay, for 2 weeks. Observation is inspection. INSPECTION. Yes, I'm trying to underline that. Observation, fortnight, oh sorry, fortnight. Inspection, you can write inspection. Okay, inspection. So in great inspection, he wanted to hospitalized him, means doctor planned in such a way. For next para, student, the poor lady almost swooned. The poor lady almost swooned. She was fainted as due to the unhealthiness of his doggy, because she loved him too much. Another word meaning you can note down: fed up, FED, fed up. Synonym of swooned will be fainted or fed up. I hope that you have noted. Here it is given swooned, fed up. Okay, so let's move. The poor lady almost swooned. She was sure he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. In love, she is thinking in her mind that if he will not find me to see in the hospital, then he would die, because Tricky loved her lady, her honor, his honor very much. Okay, that's why here it is given that the poor lady almost soon, she was sure he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. If per day he would not be capable to see me, so surely he will face like death, because he loved her too much and she also loved him too much. They love to each other, so they cannot live without each other. Okay, so in next line, but I took a firm line. Firm means here strong and steady. Okay, sure. But I look a firm line. Line, you know, QUEEQ. If suppose it is asked the synonym of Q, then synonym of line, then what will you write here? Firm line. Firm line. You can say here, right? Q. This is U. Q. Q means line, and firm means strong and steady. I took a firm line. Tricky was very ill, and this was the only way to save him. In fact, I thought it best to take him without delay. The writer, he has planned that without delaying it, we have to do as soon as it is possible. We have to make the Tricky hospitalized, otherwise maybe something dangerous for his health. Okay, delay. You can note down the synonym of delay: dispatch. Okay, here delay means dispatch. Another word meaning, if you want to note down, detain. Just I am writing here detain. For that, yes, detain. Hold up. Another word meaning you can, if you want to note down, that will be retard. Retard. Okay, retard. And note down the synonym of delay. Many time it is asked in the exam. Sorry, antonym of delay. Antonym of delay. What will be? Oh, just a minute. A mistake was there. Antonym of delay will be dispatch, and meaning of or synonym of delay will be detain, hold up, retard. Okay, so antonym of delay will be dispatch. Here, dispatch. Okay, I hope that you have noted that is antonym of delay. So here it is given, I thought it best to take him without delay, and followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's swellings, sorry, wailings. Wailing, what will be synonym? Lament. Okay, lament. That is given on next page number 3rd here. Yes, which is given here on page number 3rd. For that, just a minute. Wailing. For wailing you can write the synonym lament. Ment. Lament. I am writing here lament or howl. Okay, lament and howl. And next word is given wrapped here, WRAPED, wrapped. Okay, here which is given, just a minute. Lament, I have told you of wailing, and wrapped synonym you have to note down here. Swathe, SWATHE, and seethe also you can note down, seethe, sheathe. Okay, or swathe you can note down, just a minute. Swathe, wrapped, because synonym of wrapped will be swathe or sheath, you can note down. Okay, so we could hardly believe, sorry, next line. I thought it best to take him without delay, and followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailing. Followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailing. I thought it best to take him without delay, and followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailings. All these things writer is saying, I didn't care. I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. In a blanket, he wrapped the dog and just set off for hospital to hospitalize Tricky. He didn't care of wailing of Pumphrey because she loved too much. That's why she was crying. Somehow she was crying when his Tricky was made go by the doctor towards the hospital for hospitalization. Okay, that's all. This is enough today, students. Thank you and have a nice day. I knowing that somehow you are feeling boring, but the burden of syllabus. That's why we have to follow for a long lecture. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day, students. On next turn, we will interact to each other. May God bless you.